Most people don't have a money problem. They have a mindset, habits, and information problem. On this channel, we're fixing all three. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Leveling Up with TMK. Today, we're talking about something I honestly just wish somebody would have sat me down and explained to me when I was 18 years old. Money. Not just making money, but understanding money. Because if I knew back then what I know now, I would have moved very differently financially. And I know a lot of people watching this probably feel the same way. The first thing I wish I knew at 18 is this. Making money and keeping money are two completely different skills. When most of us get our first paycheck, we think, I made it. So we spend, right? We go fast food, shoes, phones, car upgrades, random stuff we don't even care about a year later. Nobody teaches us that wealth is built through what we keep, not what we earn. I wish I understood that every dollar needed a direction. See, you either spend it, save it, or invest it. And most people spend everything before even thinking long term. Another thing I wish I understood at 18 was credit. Nobody explained how important your credit score actually is in the US. See, people think that credit is just about credit cards, but credit affects where you live, what car you can buy, your interest rates, business opportunities, and sometimes even jobs. I wish somebody would have told me that bad financial decisions at a young age could follow you for years. And honestly, a lot of people are learning that the hard way. This is a huge one. I wish I knew early that looking successful and being financially stable are not the same thing. See, a lot of people spend money trying to impress people who honestly are not even paying attention. And social media made it even worse. People go broke trying to look rich. Meanwhile, real wealth usually looks like discipline, patience, strategy, and it looks quiet. I wish I learned earlier that financial freedom matters more than appearance. Another thing I wish I knew, time matters more than the amount when it comes to investing. A lot of people think I'll invest later when I make more money. But even small investments early can grow massively over time. The earlier you start learning, investing, building, and developing discipline, the better position future you will be in. This is something I'm actively improving myself right now. I also wish I knew how much my environment affects my finances. The people around you influence spending habits, mindset, ambition, discipline, and my priorities. The people around you influence spending habits, mindset, ambition, discipline, and priorities. If everybody around you only talks about spending money, you're probably going to spend money. If people around you keep talking about ownership, investing, growth, and freedom, your thinking starts to change too. That's why I created this channel. I wanted a space focused on growth. And look, I'm not sitting here pretending like I have it all figured out, because I don't. This channel is about leveling up financially in real life. It's about learning, growing, making smarter decisions, and helping other people do the same. Because a lot of us are trying to break financial habits we were never taught to fix. Remember this, leveling up financially isn't about becoming perfect overnight. It's about making smarter decisions consistently. One habit, one investment, one mindset shift at a time. If you're serious about building financial freedom, subscribe to this channel and join the journey. And until next time, keep leveling up. Yo.